Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our Unlock Skills channel. Today we're going to check out how to convert a nose trimmer into a super duper drill gun. So this is the nose trimmer which we are going to convert it to a drill gun. We start first with removing the nose trimming tools from the shaft of the motor. Here is a drill which we are going to use it for this particular project. This is a 4 mm high speed steel drill. It is around 70 mm in length and it has a shank of around 25 mm. So to hold the drills we are going to use the back side of the pen, which is used to hold the ballpoint refill of the pen. You can use any kind of cap, just make sure the drill is sliding into this. It should not be a very tight or it should not be very loose. So let's try a quick proto test. I'm fixing this on the shaft of the motor and trying to switch on. You could see that the drill gun is rotating anti-clockwise. If it rotates in that direction, according to the drill bit's cutting tooth, it will not actually drill. So we have to anti-rotate the direction. To make this, at present I'm going to put this battery in reverse direction, because the polarity changes, the direction of the motor also changes. That's how the motor works. So here we go. We could see that the drill gun is now rotating clockwise, which means it should be able to now cut when you are able to try to plunge it into any of the surfaces. So now with the proto test being completed, let's now disassemble this assembly into individual pieces. The cap which is going to be used to hold the drill and the shaft of the motor should be a non-slippery fit. So for that, one option we can do is the shaft of the motor can be filed a little, removed of material a little, so that when you fix the cap on top of the shaft, it will have a tight fit, it won't slip off. To start with, I'm going to hold the cutting plier and hold the shaft of the motor with that, and then use a diamond file. I'm using a diamond file because the shaft of the motor normally will be a little hardened, a case hardened. So in this case, to remove them, we need a diamond pointed file to file. One of the alternate options to hold this same shaft of the motor is to use a hand vise. That also helps you. It gives you more grip, it gives you more stability, it will give you more accessibility for your file to easily remove. Now the filing is completed. Here you can see the shaft is little oblong. It has a flat surface, so that a circular surface with a flat surface with a glue in between them will hold this drill bit a little stubborn. So when you have the shaft rotating fast, the cutting tool will also have some enough torque to hold. Making a quick hole with a diamond pointed round tool. Make a hole in such a way that again the cap is only a sliding fit towards the shaft. It should not be a loose fit or a very tight fit. Here I'm going to use a Fevikwik to hold this cap and the drill bit together. Just make sure that you're not dropping any of the liquid on your hand. Now let's fix the motor back towards the nose trimmer case. You can either use a plastic glue gun, or you can also solder it if you have a soldering gun. Now is the most important activity, fixing the drill bit with the cap towards the shaft. Now before putting the glue, make sure that it is not oscillating too much. It should have a smooth rotation. Once you are quite comfortable, then you can put the glue. Applying the glue gun paste on this is an optional. It can be used or it can be avoided, because already the Fevikwik has enough bond between the cap and the drill bit. Here we go, we got the whole thing assembled, and you see that the drill gun is now working good. Now let's try making a hole on one of the popsicles. I also tried with one more small drill, which is 2 mm dia, which also made a good drill holes. You can try replacing this with different drills according to your requirements also. So few tips here. What I'm trying to do here is solder a wire to the positive and negative polarity of the motor. This is because right now I've used a 1.5 volts of battery where I could get only a particular RPM. If we could increase the RPM more, we can have much more smaller drill, so it's easy to make holes quicker. One of the option is I tried with the 9 volts battery with this particular battery wire holder. I've connected both the polarities. Just make sure the rotation of the drill is clockwise so that you will get the cutting force action. So here we go. Once I get this 9 volts connected, you could see that the drill makes a very huge RPM. One other option is used to multimeter where you have option to increase the voltage. So likewise, when you connect the wires to this particular output of voltage, you can easily step up or step down the RPM of this particular drill gun, which you can see right now on the screen. Alright friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please do subscribe for getting more videos, and I will meet you in the next video.